Hi my dear friends, in this video we are going to learn progressions exercise number 3 question number 14. Very interesting question and very important question. In a basket and ball race, a basket is placed at the starting point which is 5 meter from the first ball and the other balls are placed 3 meter apart in a starting line. There are 10 balls in the line. A competitor starts from the basket, picks up the nearest ball, runs back with it, drops it in the basket, runs back to pick up the next ball, runs to the basket and drop it in, and she continues in the same way until all the balls are in the basket. What is the total distance the competitor has to run? Very simple and very interesting question and very important question too. So here is a basket. So here they are placing some balls. So the first ball is at a distance of 5 meters. So next each ball is separated by a distance of 3 meters. So the distance between first ball and second ball is nothing but 3 meters. So here to here the total distance is 8. Third ball is placed again at a distance of 3 meters. From second to third the distance is 3 meter. Total distance from the basket is nothing but 11 and so on. So how many balls are there? So 10 such balls are there. So just you see, a competitor is there. He will start from the basket. He will run towards the first ball. He will take the ball and again he will run back and drops the ball in the basket. So to drop the first ball in the basket, he has to travel a distance of 10 meters. Okay. To drop first ball in the basket, she has to run 10 meters. That is nothing but A1 you think. Okay. She has to run 10 meters. Okay. Next you see again she has to start from the basket moving towards the second ball. So what is the distance? 5 up to the first ball. Here the distance is 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. Again she is coming back to the baskets, towards the basket. So 8 plus 8 is nothing but 16 meters to drop the second ball. She has to run 16 meters to drop the second ball. For second ball, she has to run 16 meters. Now again, she is starting from the basket, moving towards the third ball. 5 plus 3 plus 3. It is nothing but 11 meters. And again running towards the basket and dropping the ball in the basket. So for third ball, she has to run 22 meters. Just you observe here, 10, 16, 22 and so on up to 10 balls. This is forming an AP series with a difference of 6 meters. So just you see, here the first term is nothing but 10. Here the difference is nothing but 6. So 16 minus 10 is nothing but 6 here. 22 minus 16 is also 6. So now what we have to do? We have to find the total distance so to complete the race. So that is nothing but S10 we have to find. Okay. So this is A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on. So first term is 10. Here the common difference is nothing but 6. 16 minus 10 is nothing but 6. 22 minus 16 is nothing but 6. So we have to find Sn, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. How much distance she is running to complete the race, that we have to find. Total distance. So S10 is nothing but 10 by 2, 2a, 2 into 10, n minus 1, that is 10 minus 1. Here the difference is 6. Okay, 10 by 2 is nothing but 5. 2 into 10 is nothing but 20. So this is 9 into 6. So what is the total here? 5. 20 plus 9 times 6 is nothing but 54. So 5 times 20 plus 54 is nothing but 74. Multiply that 74 into 5. That will give you the total distance. 5 4s are 20. 5 7s are 35 plus 2, 37. So she has to run a total distance of 370 meters to complete the race. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. Share this information with your friends.